He stumbled into triage, clutching his side, breath ragged, eyes wild. Something popped, I can't breathe. His voice cracked as he fought for shallow, desperate inhalations. 28-year-old JM, healthy, athletic, no trauma, now sat hunched forward, skin pale, chest rising unevenly. On the left, no breath sounds. Hyperresonance, SpO2 87%, HR128. A sharp, stabbing pain radiated with every inhale. The X-ray lit up the room. Left lung collapsed, air filling the pleural space. A spontaneous pneumothorax in a young, otherwise stable man, now seconds from decompensating if pressure built. The team moved fast. Chest tube tray, oxygen, eyes on the trachea for deviation. This wasn't anxiety, this wasn't asthma, this was an airway emergency unfolding in real time. Critical thinking questions. 1. What assessment findings confirm pneumothorax over asthma? 2. What change indicates tension pneumothorax? 3. Why is a chest tube required instead of oxygen alone? 4. Which post-insertion findings require immediate reporting?